There's Honk the car. Honk loves playing in the sunshine. What's wrong with those rabbits? Honk needs to find out. Why are you jumping about? Are you scared of something? Asks Honk. Look, Honk! Shouts Floppy. Something's following us, and it won't go away. Honk can't see anything chasing the bunnies. Look! Lolly's also got one! Shrieks Floppy. So does Honk! Shouts Floppy. Honk and Lolly think this is very funny. The bunnies are afraid of their own shadow. Honk tells his little friends that there's nothing to be afraid of. Everyone has a shadow. There's Swo Swoosh, the helicopter. Look, Swo Swoosh has a shadow that looks just like him. You see? Honk tells Floppy and Fluffy. Shadows are fun. Come, let's play a game. There's Toot the boat. Toot is watching Honk teach his friends how to play a new game. The game is called Your Shadow, My Shadow. What a fun game to play on a sunny day. Okay, everybody, calls Honk. Now we all have to go backwards. Oh dear, where have all the shadows gone? Nobody can find his or her shadow. Wait, there's Honk's shadow. It's come back. Oh no! Now it's gone away again. Toot told everyone where our shadow comes from. We only have a shadow when the sun is shining. When there are clouds, there's no sunshine. If there's no sunshine, our shadow hides away. I know, calls Honk. My shadow hides away in the shade. You're a very clever little car, Honk, says Toot. Please go away, Cloud, whispers Swo Swoosh. We need our sunshine back to play the shadow game. Swo Swoosh to the rescue, calls Swo Swoosh. Swo Swoosh had come to the rescue and blown the cloud away. Everyone in Springland was happy again. Look, there's Honk the car. Lolly is trying to hide away from Honk. Boo! Bleats Lolly the lamb in her biggest voice. Honk knew Lolly wanted to play a fun game. You gave me a big fright, Lolly. Do you want to play hide and seek? Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. calls Honk. I'm coming to find you, ready or not. Oh dear, Lolly didn't find a very good hiding place. It was very easy for Honk to find Lolly. Honk thinks he's found a good hiding place. Listen to Lolly. She's only little and can't count so well. Who's going to help Lolly count to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, counts Lolly the lamb. What comes after 4? 5, 6, 8, no, 7, 8, 9. What's the last number again? I remember 10. Oh dear, how will Lolly find Honk? Look, there's Swo Swoosh, the helicopter. Honk, why is your head stuck in that silly old hedge? Calls Swo Swoosh. Did you lose something in the hedge, Honk? Calls Swo Swoosh. Oh dear, Swo Swoosh is going to show Lolly where Honk is hiding. Go away, Swo Swoosh, whispers Honk. I'm playing hide and seek, and I don't want Lolly to find me. There you are, Honk, bleats Lolly the lamb. I'm the cleverest sheep in Springland. It was now Swo Swoosh's turn to hide. Look, there's Toot the boat. Morning, Toot, calls Honk. We are playing hide and seek. Have you seen Swo Swoosh? Toot didn't want to give away Swo Swoosh's secret hiding place. Swo Swoosh, let me think. Where could Swo Swoosh be? Pretends Toot. Shh! Be quiet, Woofy, whispers Swo Swoosh. If you keep barking like that, they'll find me. And Honk and Lolly did. It was now Woofy's turn to run and hide. A rainbow. Morning, Swo Swoosh the helicopter. Morning, Porky Pigs. Morning, cow. There's Honk the car. Honk and Swo Swoosh are going to play a special game today. Are you ready, Swo Swoosh? Close your eyes, calls Honk. I spy with my little eye something that is yellow, says Honk. You can open your eyes now. The clouds, says Swo Swoosh. But Swo Swoosh was wrong. The clouds aren't yellow. The clouds are white. I know. The baby ducks are yellow. Clever, Swo Swoosh. The baby ducks are yellow and nice and fluffy. I spy with my little eye something that is bright red, says Swo Swoosh. Oh, that's easy. The piglets, calls Honk. No. Honk was wrong. The pigs aren't bright red. They're a pink color. I know, I'm red. Yes, you're also red, Honk, giggles Swo Swoosh, but you can't fly. At last, Honk saw the bright red, beautiful butterfly. I Spy is such a fun game to play. I spy with my little eye something green, calls Honk. Come on, Swo Swoosh. Honk has given you an easy one.
I know,
calls Wriggly the worm.
the grass is green. I'm also green. I'm a green wriggly worm.
Honk and Swo Swoosh told Toot about the game they were playing. Toot also wants to play I Spy. I spy something white, says Toot. The waves are white, shouts Honk. The clouds! I spy something blue, shouts Swo Swoosh. Honk and Toot tried to guess the answer. The sky is blue. The sea is blue. I know.